Today we learn prime and composite number. What are the prime numbers? First, prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? The numbers who have only two factors, 1 and the number itself, are called prime numbers. The number who have only two factors. First factor is 1 and second factor is number itself, are called prime numbers. Prime numbers are not divisible by another number except 1 and number itself. Suppose if we take 5 is only divisible by 1 5 is 5 and only divisible by 5 1 is 5, and no any other number who can divide completely the 5. In the same manner, 7 1 7 can divide only by 1 and 7. In the same manner, 3 can divide by only 1 and 3, and in the same manner 17 can divide by only 1 and 17. Hence these numbers can only divided by 1 and number itself. Hence these numbers are prime numbers. The number who have only two factors, 1 and number itself. And number other than prime numbers are called composite numbers. Composite numbers, the number having 3 or more than 3 factors are called composite number. The number who have 3 factor or more than 3 factor are called composite number. Suppose we take 12. We can check 12 is a prime number or composite number. We can divide 12 by 1. 2 6 is 12. We can divide 12 by 2, and we can divide 12 by 3. We can divide 12 by 4. We can divide 12 by 6. We can divide 12 by 12. 1 2 3 4 6 and 12 completely divide the 12. Hence these are the factors of 12. But 12 have how many factors? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. 6 factor. 12 has 6 factor, more than 3 or more than 3 factor. Hence 12 is a composite number. The number who have 3 or more than 3 numbers are called composite number. Suppose if we take 4, how many factors are 4? 1. We can divide 4 by 1, 2 and 4. How many factor? 3 factor, 1 2 and 4. Hence 4 is a composite number, because any number if I have 3 or more than 3 factor, then it is called composite number. And the number who have only 2 factor, 1 and the number itself, are called prime numbers. Hence 1 2 3 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 are prime numbers. These are prime numbers. And the numbers 4, 6, 9, 10, 12 are composite numbers. In this manner, we can find the prime numbers and composite number. We can find the prime and composite number from 1 to 100 by crossing. First we cross 1 and we cross all even number except 2. We cross all multiples of 3. Now we cross all multiples of 5. In this manner we can find the prime and composite numbers from 1 to 100. Now what are the twin primes numbers? Twin primes. Twin prime numbers. Twin prime numbers. The prime numbers whose difference is equal to 2 are called twin prime number, or simply twin primes. Twin prime numbers or twin primes, or simply called twin primes. Suppose 3, 5, the pair of 3, 5, pair of 5, 7, pair of 17 and 19. 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, and the difference between 3 and 5 is equal to 2. 5, 7 are prime numbers, and difference between 5 and 7 is equal to 2. 17 and 19 are prime numbers, and the difference between 19 and 17 is equal to 2. Hence these are twin primes numbers. Numbers whose difference is 2 are called twin prime number. Two prime number. If two prime numbers having difference is equal to 2, then they are called twin prime numbers. Examples are 3, 5, 5, 7, 17, 19, 11, 13. Okay. These are twin primes. Hence, what are the prime numbers? The numbers having only two factors, 1 and number itself, are called prime number. What are the composite number? The numbers who have 3 or more than 3 factors are called composite number. What are the twin prime numbers? That prime numbers whose difference is equal to 2 is called twin prime numbers. Okay.